All right, so we're going to start by cutting some large pieces of parchment paper. We're going to fold them in half, and then we're going to cut some large kind of half ovals out of each of them. And these are going to be like our little steaming pockets for our salmon. Let's see my arts and crafts. Good to go. Now we're going to finish it with the rest of them. All right, so we're going to be working on the 1/2. So we're going to put about a teaspoon of that nice olive oil, and we're just going to brush kind of this side here as we go. All right, now that's done. We're going to take 3 slices of lemon, try to get rid of that seed, kind of all side by side. Then we're going to take 1 piece of the fish. Before we do that, sorry, we're going to sprinkle just a little bit kind of sea salt all around, some freshly black pepper. Now we got the lemons. We're going to put the piece of fish on top of the lemons. We're going to put 1 more slice of lemon right on top. And then we're going to take some thinly sliced fennel. I found some fennel bulb at the grocery store. We kind of just cut her into some slices. And then we're just going to layer some of that fennel right on top, trying to keep everything away from the edges. We got some Kalamata olives that we've kind of roughly chopped up here. We're going to put a couple of those on top as well. And we're going to take some fresh thyme leaves. And then we're going to just drizzle with some more olive oil. And then top it back off with a nice generous pinch of sea salt. And now for the fun part, we're going to try to take this side over and just kind of crinkle our way all around it to try to make as much of a steam packet for the fish that we can. All right, so we're good to go. We're going to finish off the next 3, and then we'll get it ready for the oven. All right, so I think I got this the way we need to do it. 400-degree oven for 12 minutes, and these guys are going to steam, and we're going to see how we did. All right, so pull it apart. Here we go, and right away, all those aromatics are coming up. The lemon, the fennel, the thyme. It smells delicious. All right, time for the moment of truth. With the lemon and the fennel, it's almost sweet. Now this is an Atlantic salmon, so it's not as oily as like a Pacific. But for getting all those wonderful Mediterranean flavors in there, this was super easy to do. And yeah, very tasty. I think this would be a hit if you're hosting a party. And what do you want to impress some guests? So, a good food day. Excellent.